Mizuko, estás en Universal, ¿cómo te sientes? ¿Ah? ¿Tú querías ver?
Don't mind the thestrals, they're clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forest. We'll have to round up the screws before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
Oh.
Arthur warned me about those places. I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His arms are worse than his points. No, don't panic. I'll just, looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. That was close. Oh, you found my missing string. Best to get you out of here before you get laughed at. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragon fire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Reddy's lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Bitsy, Scroops, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.